So, I think I fixed the suction problem on this 2013 Bissell Powerforce Helix bagless upright. Let's see what happens. Oh, I definitely did. Oh, yeah. Let's look at this suction thing here. I want to point something out before I do shut this thing off. If you see how the dirt's swirling around inside, that means that the vacuum is working like it's supposed to. If it is not swirling, then you need to check that filter down here, or check that little screen underneath this bottom tray. And check for any clogs that may be like, say, in here through the hose or down through this part. Might want to check all that. But this means that the vacuum is working. Alright, y'all, thanks for watching. Leave a like, comment down below, and subscribe for more. And before I go, I always want to remind you that Jesus loves you, and have a wonderful day.